Have you ever found yourself wishing for something simple that could actually help with all the little aches and skin troubles that come with age? Something that doesn't require another expensive cream or another pill to keep track of? Well, today we're going to talk about two ingredients that are probably already sitting quietly in your home: castor oil and baking soda. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. But together, they might just surprise you. We're going to walk through it all: what it helps with, how to use it, and how to stay safe doing so. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Soothes itchy, irritated skin. As we age, our skin becomes more sensitive. It gets dry quicker, reacts faster, and sometimes, even small things like weather or a new soap can leave it red, itchy, or irritated. That's where this castor oil and baking soda mix comes in handy. Castor oil is naturally soothing. It helps calm inflamed skin and keeps it hydrated without being greasy or harsh. It forms a light protective layer over the skin that locks in moisture and gives your skin time to heal. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps with the itching. It has a gentle pH balancing effect that calms down the burning, or itching, feeling many of us experience, especially around rashes, insect bites, or dry patches. It also has mild antibacterial properties, which means it helps keep the irritated area clean and protected. When you put the two together, you get a gentle, natural blend that can bring quick relief without stinging or drying out the skin. It's especially helpful for areas like elbows, behind the knees, or even around the neck, places where irritation tends to show up more as we grow older. It's a comforting solution that's easy to trust. 2. Fade scars and stretch marks. Over the years, our skin collects little reminders of life: stretch marks from weight changes, scars from surgeries, or marks left behind from injuries. And while they're nothing to be ashamed of, sometimes we wish they'd fade just a little. That's where this simple mix of castor oil and baking soda can help. Castor oil is rich in something called fatty acids, which help nourish the skin and support new cell growth. When applied regularly, it can actually help the skin repair itself and slowly reduce the appearance of scars and marks. Baking soda adds a gentle exfoliating effect. It removes the old, dull skin on top so that healthier skin can show through. This process, when done gently, encourages your skin to regenerate and take in moisture and nutrients better, especially from the castor oil. Now, this won't work overnight. But with daily use, over a few weeks, you might notice those stubborn marks looking softer and less noticeable. 3. Promotes healthier, stronger nails. As the years go by, many of us notice our nails becoming thinner, more brittle, or even discolored. It's frustrating, especially when your hands have always been a big part of how you care for others and manage your daily life. But this simple mix of castor oil and baking soda can help bring some strength and shine back to your nails. Castor oil is full of vitamin E and healthy fats that nourish the nail bed and cuticles. It seeps into the skin around your nails, keeping it soft and helping the nail itself grow in stronger and smoother. If you've been dealing with peeling, cracks, or nails that break too easily, this oil can offer real support. Baking soda plays a slightly different role. It helps keep things clean. Its natural antifungal properties protect your nails from the kinds of infections that can cause yellowing or thickening. It also gently exfoliates the nail surface, making it easier for the castor oil to sink in and do its job. Just massaging this mixture into your nails a few times a week can make a noticeable difference. 4. Supports digestive comfort. Digestive troubles tend to become more common as we age. Whether it's occasional bloating, gas, or just that uneasy feeling in the stomach after meals, it can take a real toll on your day. The good news is, this castor oil and baking soda mix isn't just for the skin, it can also help bring comfort to the digestive area, especially when used as a warm compress. Castor oil has a long history of being used to relax muscles in the abdomen. When applied gently to the stomach area, it helps calm the tightness and cramping that often comes with digestive upset. It's also known to support better movement in the digestive tract, which can ease that stuck feeling. Baking soda adds a soothing effect too. Its natural alkalinity helps balance out excess stomach acid, which can be a big cause of discomfort, especially if you deal with acid reflux or that burning sensation after eating. While you shouldn't drink this mixture, applying it topically with a warm cloth can make a gentle difference. 5. Speeds up healing of small wounds and bruises. As we age, even a small bump or scratch can take longer to heal. Our skin becomes thinner and more delicate, and sometimes the body just doesn't bounce back like it used to. That's why this castor oil and baking soda blend can be a helpful part of your home care routine when it comes to minor wounds or bruises. Castor oil is known for its healing properties. It forms a protective layer over the skin, which keeps moisture in and bacteria out. That gives your skin the right environment to heal properly. It also encourages the growth of new tissue, which helps speed up recovery and reduce the chances of scarring. Baking soda plays a gentle supporting role. It helps cleanse the area by removing dirt or dead skin without stinging or irritating. Its natural alkalinity also creates a cleaner environment that discourages infection and supports the body's healing process. You don't need much, just apply the mix to the area for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse gently. Doing this once or twice a day can really help your skin recover faster. 6. Fights fungal infections and keeps skin clean. Fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, or itchy patches under the skin folds can be uncomfortable and stubborn, especially in warm, moist areas of the body. And as we get older, our skin becomes more vulnerable to these types of problems. That's where this simple mix of castor oil and baking soda can really come in handy. Castor oil has strong antifungal properties. It helps stop the growth of fungi by penetrating deep into the skin and calming the irritation. It also keeps the skin moisturized without clogging it, which helps prevent further cracking or peeling. Baking soda adds cleansing power. It creates an environment where fungi can't thrive. Its gentle, alkaline nature helps dry out the affected area slightly, just enough to keep it clean without damaging healthy skin. It also helps with odor, which can sometimes come with fungal infections. Together, this combo not only helps treat minor fungal infections but also soothes the skin as it heals. Whether it's your toes, underarms, or skin folds, applying this blend 2 to 3 times a day can bring real relief. 7. Reduces inflammation and swelling. Many older adults deal with some form of chronic swelling, whether it's in the knees, ankles, hands, or joints after a long day. Inflammation isn't just uncomfortable; over time, it can make it harder to move freely and enjoy daily activities. That's where this gentle mixture of castor oil and baking soda becomes truly helpful. Castor oil has a natural compound called ricinoleic acid, which is known for calming inflammation deep within the tissues. When applied to swollen areas, it doesn't just sit on top, it actually penetrates and starts easing the discomfort from within. It also helps stimulate circulation, which is essential for healing and reducing puffiness. Baking soda works alongside it by helping to neutralize acidity in the body. Too much acid can sometimes trigger or worsen inflammation, especially in the joints. When used externally, baking soda supports blood flow and helps the body flush out built-up fluids that may be contributing to swelling. This mix won't give you instant results, but with regular use, many people notice their joints feeling looser and less inflamed. It's a simple way to support your body, especially when stiffness or swelling has started getting in the way of your everyday comfort. 8. Eases joint pain and muscle stiffness. Let's start with something many of us deal with every single day: joint pain. Whether it's your knees when you get out of bed or that lingering soreness in your back after sitting too long, these aches become a part of life as we get older. But here's where the castor oil and baking soda mix really shines. Castor oil is known for its deep penetrating, soothing qualities. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it actually goes in and helps calm down the inflammation that's causing the pain in the first place. Now, when you add baking soda to the mix, it supports blood flow to the area and helps neutralize excess acid in the body, which can sometimes make inflammation worse. Together, they create a kind of gentle massage for your joints, relaxing the stiffness and giving you more comfort and movement. 9. Relieves lower back discomfort naturally. Lower back pain is something many older adults live with every day. Whether it comes from arthritis, past injuries, or simply years of use, it can make even small movements feel difficult. Instead of relying only on pain pills or heating pads, this castor oil and baking soda remedy can offer a gentle, supportive approach that works with your body. Castor oil helps by sinking deep into the tissues. It soothes the area and helps reduce inflammation around the muscles and joints in the lower back. Its natural warmth and thickness make it especially comforting when massaged in slowly or used with a warm compress. Baking soda complements this by improving circulation to the area. Good blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered where healing is needed. It also helps relax tight muscles and ease stiffness, especially when applied at the end of the day. Using this mixture before bedtime with a warm towel over your back can help release tension, reduce swelling, and promote better sleep. It's not a cure, but it can bring real relief, naturally, gently, and without any side effects. 10. Encourages hair growth and a healthier scalp. As we get older, it's common to notice our hair becoming thinner, drier, or falling out more than it used to. The scalp can also feel itchy or flaky, especially with age-related dryness. If you're looking for a natural way to support your hair and scalp without using harsh products, the combination of castor oil and baking soda may be worth trying. Castor oil is rich in nutrients that help strengthen the hair from the root. It nourishes the scalp, improves blood flow, and promotes thicker, healthier hair growth over time. It also has antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp clean and free from buildup that can clog hair follicles. Baking soda, when used in small amounts, gently exfoliates the scalp. It removes dead skin, excess oil, and product residue, making it easier for the castor oil to do its job. This helps create a clean, healthy foundation for new hair to grow. Massaging this mixture into your scalp once a week and leaving it on for about 20 minutes can make your scalp feel refreshed and your hair more alive. It's a gentle way to support your hair's natural strength, especially during a time in life when hair needs a little more care. 11. Softens calluses and rough skin. With age, our feet and hands often start to show signs of wear, especially if you've spent years working, walking, or standing for long periods. Thick calluses, cracked heels, or rough patches on the palms and soles can become uncomfortable, even painful. But this simple blend of castor oil and baking soda can help soften and soothe those tough areas naturally. Castor oil is deeply moisturizing. When applied to dry, thickened skin, it slowly softens the tough layers and helps repair the skin underneath. It doesn't just sit on top, it penetrates, hydrates, and encourages healing from the inside out. Many people find that after just a few uses, their skin feels noticeably smoother. Baking soda adds a gentle exfoliating effect. It helps break down the hardened skin and clears away dry flakes, making it easier for the castor oil to do its job. Together, they work like a natural scrub and moisturizer in one, no harsh scrubbing or peeling required. Apply the mix at night, cover your feet or hands with a soft cloth or socks, and let it work while you rest. Over time, you'll notice softer skin, fewer cracks, and more comfort in every step or handshake. It's a small act of self-care with big relief. 12. Maintains healthy pH balance for the skin. As we age, the natural balance of our skin can shift. You might notice your skin becoming more sensitive, reactive, or prone to dryness and irritation, even when using the same products you've trusted for years. That often happens because the skin's pH level is no longer as steady as it once was. But here's where the castor oil and baking soda mixture can offer a gentle kind of balance and support. Castor oil helps by restoring moisture and calming inflammation, both of which are essential for keeping the skin's natural barrier healthy. It nourishes without stripping anything away, which is especially important for mature or delicate skin. Baking soda, when used in the right amount, helps neutralize excess acidity on the skin. It brings the pH level back to a more stable state, neither too oily nor too dry. This balance can help prevent breakouts, flakiness, or sensitivity to soaps and lotions. Use just a few times a week. This mixture can help your skin feel more even, less irritated, and better protected. It's a quiet way to help your skin stay strong and comfortable, no matter what age you are. And often, feeling balanced on the outside helps us feel better on the inside too. So, who would have thought that two everyday things, castor oil and baking soda, could offer so much? From easing joint pain and calming itchy skin to brightening your face and supporting your nails, this gentle mixture has something to offer just about every part of the body. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and easy to use right at home, no appointments, no long ingredient lists. Of course, it's not a miracle cure. But for many people, it's a helpful way to feel more comfortable, more in control, and more cared for, especially as our bodies change with time. If you've been dealing with little issues here and there, this might be one of those small habits that bring quiet relief. Just remember, be patient, be gentle with your skin, and always listen to your body. If you decide to give this remedy a try, we'd love to hear how it works for you. Drop a comment below and share your experience. It might just help someone else too. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more simple, thoughtful tips coming your way. Until then, take care of yourself, you deserve it.